Hello and welcome back to my channel. I saw your comments and you guys want me to show the painting of the dash again, so that's what I'm gonna do. All right, I already took the paint off of the entire dash. Now this top portion, I'm just gonna scuff it down. There's a leather dash that goes here that covers everything up. You're not even gonna see it. I'm gonna paint it, but I'm just gonna scuff it down. Now for the rest of the dash, everything is stripped down. What I just used one of these wheels that it's for paint removal, and I just went to town, took everything off. Now I'm gonna start fixing this. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it and how I'm gonna apply the body filler. Let's begin. To start off, I'm gonna get my angle grinder with 36 grit sandpaper. I'm gonna rough everything up. Everything needs to be scratched in order for that body filler to stick to the metal. If not, it's just gonna fall. So I'm gonna rough it up and start applying the body filler. There it is, completely scratched. If I run my hand through, I can feel all the scratches, which is what I want. So let me mix up the body filler, start applying it. All right, there's the first layer. Now don't think that the first layer you're gonna get it. You're gonna need to add a first layer, sand it down, maybe apply 1 or 2 more coats before you get it. Now I'm gonna start sanding it with the DA with 80 grit. This is not the finish sanding. This is just to rough up everything. But I'm gonna use an interface pad. Okay, this is rounded. I need an interface pad for it to get the contour of that surface. There it is. This is the second coat, and I think I got it. I'm just gonna sand it down, refine it, and get it ready for primer. There it is. After refining the body filler, it's perfect now, and it's not 2 inches thick. So I refined it with the last was 220 with a round Durablock. Go in this motion, the other way, and it came out perfect. So I'm just gonna put some primer into it and put some self-etching primer on the entire metal and get it ready. There it is. There it is. Perfect, perfect. Now I'm just gonna let it dry for about a day. Come back, scuff it down, scuff up the red, paint the dash. All right, the dash is ready. Everything has been sanded down with a maroon Scotch-Brite, including the self-etching primer. Everything's covered up. We're good to go. Now the gun I'm going to be using is going to be by Meiji, and it's going to have a T air cap. This is the Finer-Force paint gun. It's a side mounted cup. So I've never used a cup paint gun like this. So let's just do a review on it. Let's see how good this gun is. All right. I believe it's a 1.4 tip with a T air cap. All right. Let me get started. I'm going to be shooting some sealer. I'm going to be shooting the base, and I'm going to be shooting the clear with this gun. Let's see how good it is. And there it is. The sealer has been applied. You only need one coat, and we're good. Now about the gun, my first initial thoughts is that it's a little bit different than with the gravity feed. This is also considered a gravity feed, but it's side mount, so it's a little different the way you hold it. But it sprays real nice. It sprays real nice. The only other thing that I might change, or that I might consider something different, is the way this lid closes. It has these little grooves right there, which it's a little bit hard to close it, but all in all, the gun performance is great. It's awesome. It sprayed real nice. The sealer sprayed real even, and let's just try it out with the base. Let's see how the base is sprayed with this gun. I'm gonna see how I can do it with the lid. It closes real nice. It has no issues with dripping or anything. The only thing is that you need to like kind of maneuver it in order to close it right. If they can change that, the way it's done, it'll be an awesome gun. All right, let me wait about 15 minutes for it to dry. Start applying the first coat of base. There it is, 3 coats. Gun sprayed perfect. It laid it down flat. So I'm gonna wait 15 minutes for it to dry, then start applying the clear. The clear I'm gonna be using, guys, is gonna be a semi-gloss. It's a low gloss clear. It's a satin sheen. So let me just mix it up, pour it in the gun, start applying. And there it is. Now it's going to lose most of its gloss. It's just going to be kind of like a satin finish. So it's going to lose most of its gloss, but there it is. Now it's the right color. And we can get on with the car. Perfect. Came out real nice. Now for the gun. The gun performed excellent. Real nice. I do gotta get used to the side cup because I'm not used to using these type of system. But all in all, the gun performed real nice. Now, if I had a complaint, it's gonna be the lid. I wish they had like a screw-on lid type thing, like a thread. But maybe it's just me. But that would be nice if they would have like a thread type of lid. But the gun performed the way it's supposed to. This is a T cap, and I believe it's a 1.4 tip. And there it is, guys. This is the second time I paint this dash, and we got it. We got the correct color, and we got the correct finish. So the next thing I'm gonna work on the car, it's going to be the block sanding. I'm going to show you how to block sand the car. I already added a guide coat to it. So I'm just waiting for it to completely dry, which is already dried. It's been a couple of days since I applied the primer. So next video, next weekend, it'll be the block sanding of this Mustang. All right. I'm going to show you what grits to use and what you need to do to get the perfect finish on the block sanding, so you can get a perfect finish on a car. Alright guys, this will be it for this video. Thank you very much. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Like the video, share the video. Also subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Hit the thumbs up. It helps a lot, guys. And we'll see you this coming weekend. Alright, thank you and God bless.